Co-packer requirements for co-manufacturing. My name is Felicia Liu and I help with food safety. My client always asked about the food safety requirements for co-manufacturers or co-packer. So, let me share what you will need. As a business owner, it is crucial to ensure that your co-packer meets the necessary food safety requirements. Delegating your food production to a co-manufacturer or co-packer is an important decision in your business. You want to be sure that you have the right one. Here are some key requirements to consider. 1. Certifications. Check if your co-packer has the necessary certifications, such as GMP, HACCP, and SQF. These certifications can help demonstrate that the co-packer follows strict guidelines and procedures to maintain food safety, or at least inspected to have a food safety programs. 2. Quality control. Ensure that your co-packer has a robust quality control system in place. This includes regular testing of raw materials, monitoring of production processes, and inspection of finished products. 3. Traceability. Make sure your co-packer has systems in place to track and trace ingredients and finished products throughout the production and packaging process. 4. Allergen management. If your product contains allergens, ensure that your co-packer has proper allergen management protocols in place. Co-manufacturing requirements. In addition to food safety, there are several other requirements to consider when partnering with a co-packer for co-manufacturing. 1. Capacity and capabilities. Assess your co-packer's capacity and capabilities to ensure they can meet your production needs. 2. Product compatibility. A co-packer with relevant experience will be better equipped to produce and package your product effectively. 3. Confidentiality and intellectual property. Ensure that your co-packer has proper confidentiality agreements in place to safeguard your recipes, formulations, and any other proprietary information. 4. Communication and collaboration. Ensure that there are clear channels of communication and that your co-packer is responsive and accessible. It's crucial to carefully evaluate potential co-packers to ensure they meet your food safety requirements and have the necessary capabilities for co-manufacturing. Effective communication and collaboration are key to a successful partnership with a co-packer. By choosing the right co-packer, you can streamline your production process and deliver high-quality products to your customers. Are you in the process of selecting your co-manufacturer or co-packer but still not sure how to get started? Or need an extra pair of eyes to review your co-manufacturing requirements? Give us a call at 236-513-2488 and let us help you in this important step.